students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question has two parts. Part A, what is a reflection of a light, and state the two laws of reflection. And part B, define the term related to the spherical mirror. First is aperture and second is pole of the mirror. So let's see the part A. What is reflection of a light? Reflection of a light is the phenomena of a light ray bouncing back after striking on the mirror. So if a light is coming and it is striking on the mirror, the reflection is the phenomena that it will go back, like it will come like this and it will go back like this. So this is the bouncing of light, and we have stated the two laws for this to define this reflection in our physics. First law, that angle of reflection, the angle of reflection and angle of incidence will be equal. So this angle I will be equals to this angle R. This is our first law. Second law states that all these three rays, angle of incidence and normal at the point of angle of incidence and this reflected ray, all these three rays will lie in the same plane. What will happen if they are not lying in the same plane? So let's see with an example. So let's suppose this is our incident ray, this is our normal, and this is our reflected ray. See, both angles are currently equal, correct? If this case we can still achieve without this thing, without the second rule. See, if you will see now, again you will see that angle of incidence and angle of reflection are same, but if you change the perspective, see the point, all 3 points are not at the same point. This is incident ray, this is normal, and this is reflected ray. But reflected ray should be here. Physically it is not possible, right? A ray entering here and leaving from here. They should, if it's entering here, it should leave from the same point, correct? So to satisfy this physical nature, we created a second law which states that all of these three should lie in the same plane. Now let's see the part B of this question. What is aperture? Aperture is the diameter. It is the diameter of the reflecting surface of the mirror. So if it is a mirror like this, so this diameter, so from here to here, this length is known as aperture, correct? And second point is the pole of the mirror. It is the geometrical center of the mirror. So if this is the mirror, so its center will be somewhere here. So this will be our pole. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.